Check it out, y'all. Finna hook up some good old catfish nuggets. Finna put this little mustard in here, y'all. Let's drink some more of this water. Booyah, add the little mustard, y'all. Yeah. I add a little black pepper. You dig? You know, I add a little sprinkle. Good old onion powder. Woo woo. Then add a little of this, you know what I'm talking about. I don't like all that fishy taste, you dig? You dig? Add a little of that. Booyah. And I add a little of this, y'all. Yeah, check it out, y'all. Add that flavor. Last but not least, I gotta have my paprika. You dig? Alright. Stir this all up, y'all, real good. You dig? And a little bit more onion powder, a little onion powder. Yeah. Toss that around, y'all. Let it sit in the refrigerator, let it marinate. Then I'm gonna toss it in that good old seasoning, y'all. With a little more flour. Oh yeah, check me out, y'all. Alright, I'll be back. Yeah, last but not least, gotta have a lemon pepper. Check it out, y'all. Ooh, gotta have some seasoning in the thing, y'all. Yeah, look at them. Ooh, yeah, catfish nuggets, y'all. Oh, yeah, it's another little twist I got, y'all. Check it out. Oh, yeah, this little lemon twang, y'all. Put just a little sprinkle of that, man. Add the little pop to your lips. Oh, yeah, check it out, y'all. Try it out. Oh, yeah, check it out, y'all. I'm already tossing them around, y'all. I use half of that Louisiana seasoning, y'all, and the other flour base. Yeah, check it out, y'all. In the grease. Woohoo! Gotta go swimming, Oh, yeah. Then I might be hooking up y'all this good old rib. Oh yeah. I'm cook for 2 days, y'all. I don't play no games. Check me out. Yeah, you hear it? Look at that. Season real good, y'all. Y'all see it? Season real good. Yeah. Oh Lord. That's what I'm talking about. Get crunk, girl. That's how you get on that game. The Mortal Kombat, how you crunk. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Told you. Gotta get them all in there. One bag, so it shouldn't be that much. A couple more pieces. I drop it in there. Yeah, pat. Yeah, y'all, this is how them catfish nuggets, baby. Catfish nuggets. Woo! Yeah. Some catfish nuggets. The nuggets. They want some nuggets. I want some ribs. So I'm gonna hook up me this rib. Yeah, y'all know how I do. I had the munchies. You gotta eat good. Yeah. Hey. Alright, y'all, I got a little bit more nuggets to do. I'll do that on the next batch. But yeah, please subscribe, y'all. Check me out, y'all. And please come on back. I got some finishing coming up. Whoa, look at them nuggets, y'all. Hey. Alright, y'all. Peace out. God bless.